So what I mean to say is that even if you're sitting in front of TV, again, don't watch news again and again. It happens with many people. They are fond of watching news in television. Don't do that. All I mean to say is that if you are watching news and if there is something informative which is again very good, okay, something new is happening, something good is happening, that is fine. But then again, most of the time what we get on news is again negative informations we do get. So stop watching these negative things. If you listen to radio, if radio is available there, if you listen to radio, then again be very selective. Do not listen to anything and everything. Whatever things we listen is again like we are feeding energy in our energy body. So again you have to be very careful while listening to radio. Even there are so many of commercials going on, like if you watch television or maybe if you are listening to radio. So those commercials is again a disturbing energy which disturbs mind. So you have to be very selective and you have to select that specifically, okay, I have to watch this, I have to listen to this, or maybe I have to read this, the specific things. So just these are the things which you have to keep in your mind. Apart from this, we already have talked about, like if you know that this person is very negative, very low, then try to avoid those persons. If it possible, then you can actually try to change them. Because it happens in case of mine, if I come across with those kind of people, then I just encourage them, I try to show them the right path, and then I try to pull them in spirituality so that the energy body will be filled with spiritual energy, and so that they will be away from unwanted negative energies. I do my best. Apart from this, if there are many cases where people, they just don't understand and they cannot do, even if they want, then we do healing and we solve the problem. Any kind of problem we solve by healing, distant energy healing. But in case of yours, if it happens, if you come across someone and if you feel like, no, this person's energy is not good, maybe very low, maybe very negative, or maybe disturbing energy he's having, maybe useless energy he's having, he's talking about all useless things and nonsense things, then it's better to be alone. Because what happens if you are there, if you spend your time with these kind of people, then actually you are disturbing your mind, you're disturbing your energy body. So don't do this. Either you try to make them understand, either you try to help them and try to show them the right path, you can do that. Or else if you understand, if you know that no, they will not change or they won't listen to you, if something like this, then avoid them. Because we again receive lots of negative and unwanted energies from people also while talking.